Yo, the new Caliburn is out. The Uwell Caliburn A2, the successor to my favorite vape device out of them all to date. We had the Caliburn G. I didn't get on with it. I didn't like the separate coil, separate pod, didn't like the mouthpiece. So carried on using the OG Caliburn, but I've had this for 2 days by the time of recording, and my OG Caliburn's put away. But I'll show you what you get in the box. One spare pod, one pod already installed with the device. They are 0.9 ohm mesh coils inside those pods, and there is no USB cable supplied with the device. You will need to source your own or use one you already have. We do have them available very cheap at the E-Cig Shop, just £1.50 for a USB-C cable. But that's besides the point. Here it is next to the OG Caliburn. Pretty much exactly the same size. Bigger fire button on the new one. Light on the bottom of the new one. And of course you get the new juice amount display window thing, so you can see ish how much juice you've got left. It's not the entire pod that is visible, but enough. Mouthpieces are the same size, but the new one has a flatter surface for longer than the old one, making it easier just to hold in your mouth, like hands-free, which I prefer because that tends to be how I use my Caliburn a lot. You can just snap, or most of the time at least anyway, you can just snap the mouthpiece off of the top of the new pod while it's still in the device. And with the old one, obviously you have to remove it, take the mouthpiece off and get a bit of juice on your fingers. So I do prefer the new pods. USB-C charge for the new one. Again, no cable supplied. I don't want this to become a trend with manufacturers not supplying cables on rechargeable devices, but hey, we'll see what happens. A little bit of a close-up. You might be able to appreciate there that the mouthpiece on the newer one is just flatter for a bit longer than it is on the older one. I prefer that myself, but other than that, really, it just feels a bit different because it's glossy. So this is the OG Caliburn Cloud Production. And this is the Caliburn A2, the new one, Cloud Production. You do get a bit more of a kick from the new one, but it is a 0.9 ohm coil. I prefer the new one. Going to recommend them over the old one, but still, the old one is a solid bit of kit. Peace.